Hello there. After a few rebuilt cars, we decided to document our journey of dreams becoming reality, and we decided to take you guys to join us. Welcome to Rehab Rides. And here we are in the 5th episode of refurbishing our Porsche 997 Targa 4S. We've been on this journey together for a while now, so take your seat and enjoy. Today it's time to focus on the engine. We've prepared 0W40 spec engine oil for a total of 3 oil changes. Each oil change requires 8.5 liters of oil and, of course, a new oil filter. So far, we've already done 2 oil changes on a non-running engine, ensuring the system is as clean as possible before the first start. All wiring harnesses and connectors have been carefully cleaned, dried, and prepared for reinstallation. With the main battery disconnected, we begin reinstalling the ECUs, body control units, switches, and other essential modules. Luckily, most connectors are designed to be foolproof, ensuring everything fits where it should. Once all components are securely in place, it's time to reconnect the main battery. A quick test of the new keys and main switch, and just like that, we're back in the game. With all relays and ECUs powering on, we can finally run a full car diagnostic. Using an OBD scanner, we systematically check each module, scanning for stored and active fault codes. As expected, there are many stored issues from the flood damage, along with some active errors we anticipated. Now it's crucial to go through each module carefully and resolve them one by one. Before attempting a first start, we need to circulate fresh oil through the engine. With the spark plugs and ignition coils removed, we turn the engine over to allow oil to reach all critical components. A thorough inspection with an endoscope confirms that our previous hours of cleaning and using additives have paid off. Most of the dirt has been successfully removed. The remaining contaminants should clear out naturally through compression and combustion once the engine is running. To finalize the cleaning process, we vacuum out the remains of additives and blow out the cylinders with compressed air. Now, before the first start attempt, we perform one last oil change, ensuring fresh oil and a new filter are in place. It's time to reinstall the spark plugs and ignition coils. Torque accuracy is key here. Over-tightening can damage the threads, so we take extra care during installation. Originally, Mobil 10W40 is the factory recommended oil for the 997 Targa 4S. Since we'll be draining the oil a few more times, we opted for a high-quality oil that meets specifications, but isn't premium grade yet. Again, 8.5 liters of fresh oil, a new filter, and an added liqui moly additive to help collect any remaining dirt inside the engine. That's it. Cap on. And now the real test begins. Start the engine and let it run while carefully monitoring vital data like oil temperature and coolant temperature. So far, everything looks stable. And as the engine runs, it's becoming smoother and smoother with each passing minute. To ensure the best results, we drain and replace the oil and filter 2 more times. And the difference is obvious. The more the engine runs, the smoother and healthier it sounds. We're now 1 step closer to getting this beauty back on the road. Stay tuned for the next stage of the rebuild. Join us on our journey, follow, like, and subscribe. See you soon.